380, Q60, yeah. Twin tube, a V6.
No pussy test, not even a vagina. Plain engine in it, be my feet pilot. BBL kit that tick like Thailand. Just jack whip, tell roll and pipe that. 7.6 story.
Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel. So, with this bitch, I haven't started in like 3 days, so I know this is gonna be loud, but y'all gonna come with me while I go and pick up some tires for the F10. And if y'all reach this far into the video, make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and let's go on the journey, man. It's gonna be a little drive, not much, but the tires I'm getting, it's gonna be going on the back, cause y'all see the fitment on the back. That fitment is ass, man. So we're about to go and grab some tires. We're getting in for a good deal, so I can't pass them up. So let's hit the road. Loud as hell, man. And also I just changed this coolant hose right here, because the one I had when I was fixing the charge pipe, I ended up messing it up like right here, because y'all know it's plastic. So when it gets hot and then cool, hot, cool, it's gonna fuck up, man. So y'all be weird. This shit came off the old one. Alright guys, so I went and got the tires, we got them in the back. So now we're probably gonna just go and mount them up, and then we're gonna probably put them on the car and then see how it fits, and then we're probably gonna have to like adjust the rear coilovers. But right now we're about to go and hit back the 95, so y'all stay tuned, man. Alright guys, so I just got back from getting the wheels, so now I'm just slowly taking off the wrap off the car. So I'm de-wrapping the car. I already took off the wing already, so y'all could see why I'm taking off the wrap. You could see it's burning up right here. I've been at it for like almost 2 years now, so I guess it's time to get a new wrap. So make sure y'all stay tuned for that. So I'm gonna keep on taking off all of this real quick, and then I'm gonna pick up at the camera. Alright guys, so the trunk is all done. Got everything off. Just need to like clean it up, clean up these rubber piece right here. And I also took off the wing. Got some two-sided tape I need to take off right there too, but I got the whole trunk off. So I'm gonna paint this gloss black, and then we're gonna unwrap the other rest of the car.